Morgan with Event Answer, and today I'm going to show you how I made this tropical leaf backdrop. It's made from cardstock, a little paper, foam, and my PVC pipe backdrop. So follow along and I'll show you how I made this.
The first thing I did was make leaves. Lots and lots of leaves. All told, I made about 100 leaves in total between the different shapes. If you'd like to make these leaves as well, check out the description box below. I have a link to my website, which has both SVG files and a PDF. So if you'd like to use a CNC cutter like I did, you can. Or if you'd like to use scissors and X-Acto knife, you can also do that with the PDFs. The base for this project is actually my PVC backdrop stand, which you can find in another video, and then I added pink insulation foam, which will give this project rigidity and allow me to use pins to attach the leaves. I used garden stakes and duct tape to attach the foam to the frame. I then added some black craft paper. This is a 48-inch wide roll that I used, and just pinned it to the foam. The paper will act as a nice blank backdrop for the leaves, and it'll disappear behind the greens and the purples. I use this so I have a nice neutral backdrop, and obviously so you're not seeing the pink insulation foam and duct tape. And then it was time to add all the leaves. So I attached these using corsage pins, and they've got a little round head on them, and that makes it easy to stick into the foam. I found from a distance you can't actually see the pins, so I wasn't worried at all about whether they'd be seen or not. And I just started adding the leaves kind of in a random pattern, taking the edges and curling them, and in a lot of the leaves putting a fold down the center. This gives it texture and depth. What I didn't want was for these leaves to go up flat and to look like I had just glued them to the wall. So I'm taking my time and pinning them in ways that I force it to curl or to stick out at the end. This gives it a nice texture and allows me to build up the leaves as we go up the wall and gives it a nice realistic look. I'm intentionally leaving a blank spot in the center here, and that's so that I can add a logo or initials if this was for a wedding reception or a bridal shower. This is just a great spot to highlight whoever it is you're honoring at your special event. And I continue to tweak the leaves as I go around it. It was a little lopsided as I started, and then I just shifted the leaves around and tweaked it as I went to make it more symmetrical in the end. The final touch was to put on some purple vines. I just wanted them as minor accents in the shades of green, and that was the last thing I put on.
I hope you enjoyed today's project. It was a lot of fun putting together this tropical wall, and it would be fabulous for a baby shower, bridal shower, or even as a backdrop for a high-end event. If you enjoyed this project, make sure you give the video a like, and if you want to see projects similar to this, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. I've got a couple other videos over here if you want to check them out, some of our most recent stuff, and some of our favorites. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!